Dear students, I am Mr. Suresh Halbandge from Satish Pradhan Gyan College, Thane. Today, I am here to explain the use of biconvex lens as a simple microscope using the physics applets. Now, in this applet, you can see that this is the biconvex lens, right? The lens that you are seeing, right? This lens is a biconvex lens. This one, right? This is the biconvex lens. And we know it has a certain focal length. These are the points of principal focus. Now this is an object which is just like a cardboard, and the pencil here, this pencil acts as the object. Now what we do is we can keep this object at different places on the principal axis. We can keep it on, say, principal focus. If this is kept on the object is kept on the principal focus, we find that the image formed is at infinity. Okay. Now what we do is we shall keep this object within the principal focus. Look at this. Now what I have done, this is the object, right? And I have kept it within the principal focus. This is a point of principal focus and it is kept within this. Now the rays start from this. Okay, the rays fall on the biconvex lens. After refraction, these rays move in the forward direction, and we find that these refracted rays never meet each other. So what we do is we extend these rays in the backward direction. So we can see these rays are extended in the backward direction, and we feel as if these rays have started from this point. So we find that this is the image. Okay, this one is the image of this object. And how is this image? This image is on the same side of the object or biconvex lens. This image is not real, so it is called as the virtual image. So the image formed is a virtual, erect, magnified, and on the same side of the object. So the lens used in this manner is called as the simple microscope. We know these lenses are used by watch repairers in order to observe the micro objects. We use these biconvex lenses. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.